Okay, so we have the brake caliper bracket off. It's right here. Right here are your two pins. These slide back and forth. It's a floating caliper. So you need these pins to be able to move freely. And right now these pins aren't moving freely. So let me see if I can get a wrench. Okay, 17 is good. Now it's a matter of trying to get them out. Okay, so they're not totally stuck in there. Okay, so I'm just taking the head right here, going behind it, try not to rip this rubber boot, and just free it that way. One of these is going to have a rubber, not a rubber cap, but there's going to be a piece of rubber on the end of this slide pin bolt, and that gets seized. See, it's right there. Some guys, if they don't use the right grease on here, they just slap axle grease, swells this rubber up. It's already swollen, I can feel it. Feel the ridge right here. It just swells up this rubber, so whether it's swollen or not, I always cut these off. I have a video about that very issue. You guys are like, no, it's put there by engineers, you can't do that. You're going to get all kinds of weird noises, it's not going to center correctly. Shut up. So if it was made by engineers, it's supposed to be there. Why is it only on one caliper slide pin? See, I'll pull this one off, and it won't be there. So explain to me that situation, huh? See? No rubber. So if it's so important, why isn't it on both of them? Leave a comment below. Okay, we got the brake cleaner. Spraying it down there. Fill it up. Found my handy dandy pencil. I wish I had a brush small enough. I'm trying to scrape the little grease and get it up and out. Okay. Turn it over. Get some of the stuff out. We're also going to replace this hardware right here. Comes with new hardware. You just need to note which one's top, which one's bottom, and then put the Permatex ceramic brake parts lubricant on it as well. We can actually pop those off right now. 1, 2. 3, 4. Okay, well that's kind of drying. Well, this is drying on the inside. I'm gonna install the new hardware. So just remember which one went where. The top and the bottom clips are different. You can see it has this extra spring where the bottom ones don't. So just remember where you got which side the clips came out of. Sometimes the kits don't come with new hardware, so if they don't, just clean up the old hardware as best as you can. Get some parts, get some brake parts cleaner, get a toothbrush and a rag, and just clean it up as well as you can. Time for the grease. Permatex. I'll put a link where you guys can pick this up on Amazon. Good stuff. I've seen Napa carry this stuff as well. So go ahead and just put my finger down here. Coat the pin. That's all you gotta do. Put it back down in. Make sure it's sliding really nice and easily. Twist it up and down as well. Get the other pin. Lube that up. I cut off the rubber. I know some guys are gonna leave crap comments about me cutting that off. Oh, engineers put it there for a reason. The engineers. Yeah, well, engineers always don't know what they're doing. Just look at the Ford 6.0 liter. That's a pile of junk. So if this rubber is getting air stuck in there, just pull it up and over, and make a little crease to let the air escape, and then push it down. There you go. Moving real nice in there now. One thing you do not want to do is you don't want to get this stuff on the new rotor, so just be careful. Alright, another point of protection that you need to put the Permatex on is the slide pins, or not the slide pins, the contact points for the brake pad. So I just take some, rub my finger, put it onto the new hardware, top, do you want to do the bottom, or this is actually the top? Coat it real nice. This allows the pads to slide back and forth. Most guys don't take the time to do this, which is what I'm doing and showing you. Most shops will ignore this step altogether. Because the faster they get the job done, the more money they make. Okay, so this is ready to go back in. Put grease here, 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 here. Did the slide pins, which are moving a lot easier now. We're good to go.